Good morning! Welcome to day 22 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. Let's begin today in simple cross-legged sit. Find position where you can sit comfortably for the first few minutes of practice. Release your hands to your knees and start slowly circling your head, warming up your neck. Make your circles slow and gentle. And switch to opposite direction. Bring your head back. Roll your shoulders back, big shoulder circles. Release your shoulders down, keep your hands on the knees. With inhale, lift your chest up, look up. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. Inhale, lift your chest up, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, round the back, widen the shoulder blades. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, round. One more inhale, pull your chest up. And exhale, round the upper back. From here, start circling your torso above your legs, above your hips. Leaning forward to the side and back. Move into opposite direction a few times. And bring your upper body back to center. Interlace your fingers with palms facing away from you. Inhale, press your palms up to the ceiling, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the left, release your right hand down to the knee. Take one more breath in twist. And come back to center. Interlace your fingers. With inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand down on the knee, right hand behind. One breath in twist. And come back to center. Interlace your fingers. Inhale, reach your arms up, press your palms up. And exhale, release your arms down. Make your way to your hands and knees, tabletop position. Keep your toes tucked underneath for this one to be ready to come up into downward dog. Inhale, lift your chest up for cow. Exhale, press your hips back and up into downward facing dog. With inhale, lower your knees, arch your back, cow. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your sit bones up. Two more like this. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest. Exhale, lengthen the back, press the floor away. Last time, inhale in cow pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here, walk your feet out or just stand still for a few breaths. From downward facing dog, step your right foot to the outside of your right hand into lizard. Option here to keep your back knee lifted or lower it down to the mat. One more breath in lizard. And step back into downward facing dog. Bring your left foot forward. Find lizard on this side with knee up or down on the mat. Hips are heavy, sinking towards the mat. You should feel a nice stretch somewhere around the hips. One more breath here. And step back to downward facing dog. Now bring your right foot between your hands for low lunge. Lower your back knee down, lift your chest up, and bend your elbows for cactus-shaped arms. Sink your hips down towards the mat as you lift up through the chest. Pull your elbows away from each other, opening the chest. Take one more big inhale here, lift your chest higher. Exhale, palms down to the mat, half split, straighten your front leg, send your hips back. Find the stretch on the back of your front leg. Take a big inhale and a full exhale. Make your way back to downward facing dog and step your left foot between your hands. Right knee down, lift your chest, bend your elbows and breathe here in low lunge variation. With each breath, lifting your chest a bit higher, pulling your elbows apart. Take one more big inhale. Exhale, hands down, half split. Straighten your front leg to the point where you feel a good stretch and breathe here. Bend your front knee, step back to downward facing dog. Take a big breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Lower your knees down, keep them around hip distance apart. Your feet can be pointed or flexed. Place your hands on your lower back, fingers pointing down. Gently press your hips forward as you lift your chest up and lean back into gentle back bend. With each breath, try to lift your chest a little higher, lean slightly back, but go only as far as it is comfortable on your lower back. There shouldn't be any pressure. Take one more big full inhale into your chest. And with exhale, slowly come back to neutral position. Sit down to your heels. You can keep them tucked or untuck them, point the feet. Place your hands on your thighs and just take a moment here to notice how you feel after your morning practice. physically and energetically. Take a big inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Thank you for practicing with me today. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 23.